Google Authenticator tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to use our Google Authenticator app over here and how you will be able to add an application into Google. So first things first, to be able to add an app over here in our Google Authenticator, simply click on the plus icon over here on the bottom right and you will be able to see here you are able to scan a code or QR code or enter a setup key. In one of available applications out there, this is what it would look like. So you will be able to see a QR code that would be provided to you and even a code or key over here. So we could use the key or rather the enter key over here. So simply name this one. So let's say enter the name of the application. So it's a bit get, then key, and then you have here time base and simply click on add. And over here, you will basically receive the following codes over here that you will be able to use when you're logging in to a specific application. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.